They're not stinky. She just didn't have Huh?
Push up like this. Push.
Luckily, nothing else is falling.
Ow!
Oh, Asra trust me more stuff was. I don't say peace, Chachi. It's not peace, Chachi.
Ow! Wah! Yeah!
Chachu's an
Wah!
airbender, so he's bending the air right now.
Wah! Yeah!
Yo, look at this.
How's the storm, Daddy?
Good.
You can hold it down like this, see? You hold it down, it zooms out. You can hold it just there, you can zoom in. See? Asad, give us a weather report. Right, we have Asad here in Morningside. Talk to us about the weather.
Give me the phone.
Okay, we have Asra here in Morningside. Talk to
The
us.
weather's so bad here in Tanzania. Give me it.
The wind is so bad here in South Africa.
Tell me guys, they are chopped ants.
So walk is camera.
Welcome back to Asad's YouTube vlog where he is videoing the weather approaching us in